Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact account manager version and whether it matches your platform. Incompatibility causes most failures. Once done, back up the configuration and user data so you can revert if needed. Next, gather error messages, server logs, and timestamps. Those clues speed diagnosis. Make sure to note recent deployments, policy changes, or certificate renewals because they often trigger breakage. With these prerequisites complete, you're ready to move into targeted fixes without risking data or time. You should check the process list and confirm the account manager is running and bound to the correct ports. Restart it if it's hung. Then inspect authentication paths, validate tokens, client ID, and certificates because expired credentials are silent killers. Once that's cleared, compare configuration to a known good baseline and apply one change at a time. This isolates the cause. Make sure to monitor logs while you tweak settings so you can correlate actions to outcomes and avoid cascading failures. You finish by running full user flows, login, permission checks, and session creation. Confirm data and roles behave as expected. If incremental fixes didn't resolve the issue, restore from your backup to return to a stable state, then reproduce the failure in staging. If problems persist, increase log verbosity and capture a new trace. That provides actionable detail. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, reproduce the failure in a staging environment and pull logs immediately to avoid altering evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.